Reasons for poor performance of the public sector. Following are the reasons for the poor performance of the public sector. Number 1, low return on capital. The performance of some public enterprises can be represented with the notion of profitability. Though this profitability increased gradually, yet if the petroleum and power sectors are excluded, this becomes negative for most of the other central sector public enterprises. Number 2, cost overrun. Non-completion of many public sector projects within the stipulated time period led to an unnecessary increase in the cost of construction. Thus, it puts an additional burden on the scarce resources of our country. Number 3, high capital output ratio. The amount of capital invested is relatively higher in public sector enterprises. This type of overcapitalization happened due to unnecessary expenditure during construction work, surplus machinery capacity tied up aid, resulting in compulsion of purchase imported machinery and equipment, expensive turnkey contracts, etc. Number 4, improper price policy. Most of the public sector enterprises do not follow a rational price policy. In most of these enterprises, prices are kept at a low level, keeping in mind the needs and purchasing power of the general people. However, the quality of some of these public utility goods supplied by the public sector seems to be very poor. Next is excessive manpower. Most of the public sector enterprises are also burdened with excessive manpower. The number of employees remains far above their actual requirements. Next is underutilization of capacity. Some public sector enterprises also do not utilize the full capacity of their plant and machinery. These units become sick after some times. Next is absence of proper work culture. Indiscipline and lack of responsibility among the workers, frequent labor unrest, and bad relationship between the management and the workers also paralyze many public sector enterprises. Next is improper management, political interference, lack of sufficient autonomy to the management, and bureaucratic entanglements degrade the managerial efficiency in public sector enterprises. Next is lack of functional autonomy. Most of the public sector enterprises are subject to excessive control exercised by the Ministry of Finance and the ministry in charge over these public sector enterprises. And the last is inappropriate technique of production. Inappropriate technique of production are also an important explanation for inefficient operation in many public sector enterprises.